can have an A-po space here, dire. Okay lang ba? Mga ma'am and sir, can we just transfer on that side? Tulo lang ka table para medyo luag ta dire later sa ato ang program. Do we still have more excitement?
Happy birthday to you.
Louder please.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Everybody say happy birthday, Kayla!
Happy birthday,
Happy 18th birthday, Kayla! We're gonna have another song with accompaniment design in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Day to you. But we will just let her blow the candle later, ma'am. After sa iyahang 18 candles. Ma'am, kapuliki na siya unya o blow. Yes. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, thank you so much. You may now fall in line here at our buffet table. And to those in
Ganyan, ibawin sa dyan.
And we request you to have a special dance number. Emmanuel de los Santos finally arrived. Oh. Good no, maayo atong pagbiyahe kabalo ko unsa imong pagdali-dali. And to that, ladies and gentlemen, let's have another dance.
Back off, back off. Iman, Iman. Center, center.
A round of applause,
Sige na! Sige na!
this area, tugaya gyud og sayo ang dabitan. Diba? I-feel ang moment. So sa mga papa, mga
Reaction! Reaction!
Alright, shall we give them?
Princess, the beautiful one, shining like the morning sun, hair flowing like a river, in her eyes the stars quiver, dancing in a kingdom bright, her laughter lighting up the night, graceful steps and gentle heart, from the crowd she stands apart.